Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be filming the unboxing of my Boxyluxe box by Boxycharm. Boxyluxe is every 3 months and you pay $28 extra, but the value of the Boxyluxe is, I believe, a double or triple. So this is the Boxyluxe. So yeah, the value of the box is always a lot higher than your normal Boxycharm, and I love getting my Boxyluxe, honestly. So yeah, I've received it for like the 4th time, I believe, now, and I really like it. I don't think I've had a Boxyluxe that disappointed me. So I'm going to open it up for the very first time. Like, opened it with my scissors, but I haven't even looked in here. So as you can see, it comes very nicely packed, organized. They have like this protector, so keeps everything safe. Yeah, I just received it today, which is so strange because I never receive it right on the 10th. I always receive it like the 16th, 17th, 18th. There's a lot of products in here. Now, the very first product, extremely excited about, not only because this is one of my all-time favorite brands for hair. Now, I absolutely love the Living Proof Style Extender. Also their shampoo, conditioner is really good. They have amazing products, even the dry shampoo. And this is the very first time that Boxycharm includes Living Proof. So yeah, this is full size, instant lasting volume and texture. Now, I've never tried this product, so that's exciting. Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast is a retail value of $29. The styling creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection and it is silicone free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. Now, I did just straighten my hair. Oh, so let me see if gives me any volume. Yeah, you can see it did lift up my roots, but I absolutely recommend Living Proof hair care. They're amazing and I've used them for years. Now we have this little bag. I think I know what it is. I kind of saw a sneak peek of this. I didn't want to watch all the spoilers. Okay, so this is one thing. Another. I am so happy I got the lavender shade. Oh, wow. So, okay, we got believe it or not, we got a blow dryer by PY Mini Turbo on the go dryer. Retail value of $85. That's a lot. This is what it looks like. It is so cute and wow, I like this because it's not heavy. It is so lightweight and I'm tiny, so I need a small hair dryer. I've been thinking about buying a hair dryer just to kind of like dry the back of my head because my hair takes like a long time to dry. So just for that area, I don't really like to put extra heat in my hair, but for that purpose, this will be fine. Like I said, that was $85. Now I will add up the total on my phone. That is like more than $100 right there so far with just 2 products. So here is the next product. It is by Skin & Co. Radiant Dew. So that's exciting. So this is a skin mist. Okay, so I've never seen this before, to be honest, but I'm excited to try this out. So yeah, this is a facial mist, which you can never have enough, right? And this retail value of $35. This next product I'm really excited about because I really want to try out Dominique Cosmetics. Dominique, or Christian Dominique, is a YouTuber, and she has her own line of eyeshadows and lip products and highlight, I believe. So I've been wanting to try out her brand, but I've just never gotten around to doing it. But I'm really excited that we received a product. I love the packaging. So this is what it looks like. Wow, I love the packaging. It's so pretty and very sleek. I mean pink. The shade is Peach Tea Lemonade Lip Gloss. Ooh, okay. So add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky balm-like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. And it is a retail value of $17. Oh my god, it smells so good. Smells like pastries. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Now, it doesn't have much color to it, but it is, let me say, not sticky at all. Very like soft and like velvety. It almost feels like a lip balm. I definitely need to try out more of Dominique Cosmetics for sure. This is by the brand Trestique, and this seems to be a mascara with some weird situation on the top. The Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This is all-in-one lash curler tool. Lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the new level. It's the first of its kind. Now, says flip down. So you flip that down and it curls your lashes. Now, I am wearing mascara and falsies, so can't use this right now, but I mean, I'll give it a try for sure. Maybe I'll do like a first impression. A retail value of $25. Exciting and more exciting. So this is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Now, we have received Dr. Brandt in the past. And just let me say, I love Dr. Brandt in general. And every product that I've received by Dr. Brandt has been really good. So I can only imagine, a face cleanser would be just as good or, amazing. So let me see how much this is. So this is $35. I'm excited. Now, again, Pharmacy, one of the best skincare brands I have ever tried. And we received the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so for some reason it says exclusive for Boxycharm, but I know this came out a few months ago and I was going to purchase it. I love skincare products. I mean, receiving skincare products is one of my favorite parts of Boxycharm. And I mean, pharmacy, like I said, is amazing. This is what it looks like. The Honeymoon Glow. Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum is a retail value of $58. That is amazing. And this next product, I am sure everyone received in their Boxycharm subscription, and it is, or almost everybody. So this is the No Pore Blem Prime Essence. Now, I'm assuming this is like a primer by Touch and Soul. Now, I do use the No Pore Blem primer, which I love. Just leaves your face looking so soft and silky and smooth. But I had never heard of this one. This is what it looks like. Comes in a squeezy tube. A prime essence with calendula flower extract. And this primer tightens up the pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Okay, so I'm a little confused about the difference between this one and the regular No Pore Blem, because it pretty much also minimizes your pores and tightens them. So I guess I'll just do first impressions on this, or maybe a comparison. That would be good. Oh, okay, so it's a retail value of $23. I thought for some reason it was going to be like $35 or something. A Tarte palette. Now this is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3. So I did not know. I don't even know how many variations there is of this palette. I like the black sleek packaging. And it opens up this way. Yes. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so this is a palette. Has 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2, I guess, 1 bronzer and 1 contour. That is insane. I cannot believe they made this box so amazing. And it is $45. Wow. That is amazing. I am really, really excited to use this. I really do like Tarte products. How crazy is this? This is the total. $352 is insane. And I only paid $50. So, I mean, this is like seriously the best subscription service you can sign up for. Honestly, if you aren't able to buy a lot of makeup or a lot of skincare, hair products, all that stuff, honestly, this is like the best thing to do. Sign up for Boxycharm, because you're going to get like all these products and you're always going to be stocked up on products. So I am definitely loving this month's Boxyluxe box for the month of June. So I'm really excited, as you can tell. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is everything in my box. I'm so excited to use everything. And if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will put my link down below. If you sign up, I do get like a credit for you guys signing up. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.